The nebula. Nebulae are classified into several types based on how they interact with light and their physical characteristics. Emission nebula, reflection nebula, dark nebula, planetary nebula, supernova remnants are the classifications. Exploring the different types of nebulae in the deep sky. Nebulae are vast, beautiful clouds of gas and dust that play a vital role in the life cycle of stars. They are the birthplaces of new stars, and also the remnants left behind after stars die. Emission nebulae, these glowing clouds are primarily made of ionized gas, mostly hydrogen, which emits its own light after absorbing ultraviolet radiation from nearby hot, young stars. They often appear red or pink due to the abundance of hydrogen. The Orion Nebula is a well-known example. Reflection nebulae. Unlike emission nebulae, reflection nebulae do not emit their own light. Instead, they appear luminous by reflecting the light from nearby stars. Due to the way light scatters when it hits the fine dust particles in these nebulae, they often have a characteristic blue hue, similar to how Earth's sky appears blue. The nebula surrounding the Pleiades star cluster is a good example. Dark nebulae. These nebulae are dense clouds of dust and gas that block the light from objects behind them, making them appear as dark silhouettes against a brighter background. The Horsehead Nebula, a striking feature in the constellation Orion, is one of the most famous examples. Planetary nebulae. Despite their name, these nebulae have nothing to do with planets. They form when a low to medium mass star, like our Sun, sheds its outer layers at the end of its life, creating an expanding shell of glowing gas. The central star then becomes a hot white dwarf, which illuminates the surrounding gas. The Ring Nebula is a well-known example of a planetary nebula. Supernova remnants. These nebulae are formed from the debris left behind after a massive star explodes in a supernova. The ejected material, along with shock waves from the explosion, interact with the surrounding interstellar medium, causing the gas to glow. The Crab Nebula is a famous example of a supernova remnant. Some nebulae can even exhibit characteristics of multiple types. For example, the Trifid Nebula contains regions of emission, reflection, and dark nebulae. By studying these different types of nebulae, astronomers gain valuable insights into the processes of star formation, stellar evolution, and the chemical enrichment of the universe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.